are wonderful tools for finishing a surface quickly and evenly, but cleaning them can be a bit of a hassle. Let me show you how to get the job started quickly and safely. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure you get rid of the leftover paint contents from the spray gun container. But before continuing, please make sure you wear the appropriate safety gear because you're working with chemicals and fumes. For the next step, I'm going to use the General Finishes brush and gun cleaner to clean out the inside of the spray gun container because the paint I was using is water-based. If you are using an oil-based paint, you'll want to make sure that you use mineral spirits instead. Just make sure to thoroughly wipe out the inside of the container and the lid, which will make the rest of the cleaning of the gun much easier. Now it's time to clean the interior of the gun. Fill the cup with the General Finishes brush and gun cleaner and shake it vigorously once you secure the lid back on to make sure that you dissolve any leftover paint left inside. Now you need to run the cleaner through the gun by spraying it out. To minimize the mess, I found a neat solution on woodworkingtips.com, and you can follow along too. All you need is an old 3-pound coffee container. You drill in the hole in the top that will fit the nozzle inside, and then you fill it with paper towels or rags, which will allow it to catch all of the chemicals. And if you don't have an awesome grip like mine does, you can just add a cabinet handle for stability. Now let's try this thing out. Stick the nozzle into the container and spray it like you normally would as if you're painting with it. Repeat this process a few times to thoroughly clean out the inside of the gun. And make sure that you take out the rags or paper towels and you lay them out in a well-ventilated area before disposing of them. There is a bit more to the process for cleaning out your spray gun, but for now, this will get you started. For a complete list on how to clean out your spray gun, visit blog.cshardware.com. For now, thanks for watching Tips from Tiff. Happy cleaning!